Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Press Windows key plus X, then choose Device Manager from the menu. This opens the administrative list of installed hardware on Windows 10. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers to find the problematic USB port device. Look for names like USB Root Hub, USB Host Controller, or the specific USB 3.0 controller. Identify the device by name, model, or a yellow warning icon before updating. Note the device label so you can match drivers from the manufacturer if needed later. Right-click the device and select Update Driver to begin the process. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows scan online. If Windows finds a newer driver, it will download and install it automatically. Use Browse My Computer for drivers if you downloaded the manufacturer driver file or extracted a zip. Point to the folder containing the INF file and click Next to install. Follow on-screen prompts and wait for installation to complete before closing the wizard. Restart the PC after installing drivers to finalize changes and refresh ports. If the USB port still misbehaves, return to Device Manager and right-click to uninstall the device. After uninstalling, use Action then Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. Check Windows Update for optional driver updates and download drivers from the motherboard or laptop manufacturer site if necessary. Finally, test the port with a known working device and use System Restore if the update caused system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.